how to transfer Google Authenticator to a new phone. Now, the main resolution for this video is we are only going to use one single Google Mail account for us to be able to sync those codes without any problems. Now, right now, I'm currently using the old phone. I don't have any extra mobile phone right now, but I can walk you through. Now, if you're only using Android to Android, all you have to do is to access the app on your first phone. Then from here, you'll have to go ahead and press on your user profile, which is located at the top right corner of your screen. I can see that if we are going to the Google Authenticator main dashboard, it's just it just goes on black because it's fully secured. So you're gonna be showing the same thing. Um, if you click on your account located at the top right corner of your screen, you will be able to see your current accounts right here. Now we'll have to turn on the cloud save. For us to turn it on, you have to go to manage accounts on this device. Now from here, you just have to make sure that your auto sync data is going to be turned on, then sync. And then once everything is done, all you just have to do is to download the Google Authenticator app to a new phone. For example, this is my new phone. All I have to do is go to your Play Store and then just go to search and then download for Authenticator right here. So you'll have to choose on Google Authenticator and then download this to a new phone. And then once you are fully installed Google Authenticator app to a new phone, all you have to do is make sure that you log in to the account that you used to the first phone. Now, other thing you can do is you can go ahead and sync or transfer codes offline without using any mobile network or your internet. To do so, just pull up your Authenticator app, and then you'll be able to see the three lines at the top left corner of your screen, and then go ahead to transfer accounts. Now from here, all you have to do is press on export accounts and then it will automatically sync to a new phone. But take note that this will only work on Android to Android and then iPhone to iPhone. It's gonna be crossing the path is not gonna be working. So if you're using like Android to iPhone and then iPhone to Android, it's useless. It's not gonna work. So that's how you transfer codes, or that's how you transfer Google Authenticator to a new phone.